Hello guys, welcome back again to Learn Amharic Fast. We have finished the Amharic alphabet course yesterday and today we start learning the Amharic basic grammar rules, the 8 parts of a speech in short videos, little by little, for some time, like for some months. So today we will start from the Amharic noun. What is a noun in general? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. And in Amharic, nouns are central to sentence construction and often come before verbs. Nouns come before verbs. So the formula is subject plus object plus verb. Subject plus object plus verb. It is the formula. So you put first the pronoun or noun, and then you will put the object of the sentence, all right, the receiver of the action, and finally you will put the verb. These grammar rules are very basic to develop your Amharic skills. So now let us get started from the Amharic nouns. What is a noun in general? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. And in Amharic, nouns are central to sentence construction and often come before verbs and objects. So the formula is subject S, object, and the verb. The Amharic sentence structure is like this. You put first the subject. The subject is the pronoun or a noun. So next you will put the object, which is the receiver of the action, the victim one. And last you will put the action, the verb, the action. So this is the formula. So memorize S of V. So, how many noun types are there in the Amharic language? Amharic nouns can be categorized in 6 types. Here are the types of nouns in Amharic. The first one is common and proper nouns. Common and proper nouns. የወልና የተጸውዑ ስሞች. And the second one is singular and plural nouns ናቸው ነጠላና ብዙ ስሞች. The third one abstract and concrete nouns ረቂቅና የሚዳሰሱ ስሞች. The fourth one countable and uncountable nouns የሚቆጠሩና የማይቆጠሩ ስሞች. The fifth one is definite and indefinite nouns የተወሰኑና ያልተወሰኑ ስሞች. The sixth and the last one is possessive nouns አገናዛቢ ስሞች. አገናዛቢ ስሞች. This must be አገናዛቢ ስሞች. Alright, now let's start the common nouns and the proper nouns. Common nouns are general nouns. They are generic, so they do not name something specific. So they are generic. So the first example is ሰው. ሰው. ሰው means person. So ሰው is a general noun. The second one is ቤት. ቤት is house. ቤት, house. ወንዝ. ወንዝ means river. It is a ወንዝ. መጽሐፍ. መጽሐፍ is book. መጽሐፍ. አገር. አገር is country. So, these are general nouns. They are not specific. Now let's see the proper nouns. These nouns are specific names of people, place, or things. Example, አበበ. አበበ is a specific name of a male. አዲስ አበባ. አዲስ አበባ is a specific place, a name of a specific place. Nile. Nile or አባይ. አባይ is a specific river. Ethiopia. Ethiopia is a specific country. As you can see here, Agar is a country. It is generic. Ethiopia is a specific country. So the rule is common nouns are general names, but proper nouns are specific names. So for example, Katama is city or city. Common noun. No, here this is a common noun. Addis Ababa is a city, a katama also, specific katama, proper city, proper noun. So now let us compare some nouns, some common and proper nouns. ለምሳሌ, these are common nouns. For example, there are 4 common nouns listed here. The first one is tamari, student. አገር country. ቋንቋ language. መጽሐፍ book. These are general common nouns. And these are proper nouns. For example, there are 2 people here, specific people, Muhammad and Ababa. They are specific peoples. Agar is a common noun for any place. America or Ethiopia, America and Ethiopia are specific countries. ቋንቋ is also general. Amarinya, Amharic, and Englishnya, English are specific languages. These are things, abstract nouns. So mazhaf is a concrete noun and it is also common noun, common and concrete. Quran or Mazhaf Qudus are specific nouns. So nouns on the left are common nouns that everyone or everything is called by. On the right, however, are specific nouns. For example, Tamari or student is a common noun for all students, whereas Muhammad is a specifically known personal name. Limamid and let us see Limamid and activity one. Limamid activity. I will give you three common nouns. You must reply with a proper noun that fits that category. ماشي. You will put the answer in our group, alright, in our Telegram or WhatsApp group. Agar is a country, so put a specific country name here. Once is a river, so put a specific river name here. Tarara is mountain, and it is not also proper, so it is common, so put proper noun here. For example, let me give you an example. The example here is Katama is city, so it is not specific, it is common. Bahar Dar, Bahar Dar, which is the capital city of the Amhara region, is Bahar Dar. So Bahar Dar is a specific place. Actually, homework. The homework is put each word in the correct group. If the noun is a proper noun, put it under the proper noun category. And if it is a common noun, put it under the common noun. Activity two is writing. Just write three proper nouns from your life, names of people or place you know. And the third one is type or write three common nouns you use every day in your life. So send your answer in a text form and then record your voice reading your answer and send both of them into our Telegram or WhatsApp group. So this is for today. Just make sure to immediately finish your homework today. All right, today. I will check your work and give you feedbacks if necessary. Today's lesson is about common and proper nouns. Tomorrow we will learn about Amharic singular and plural nouns, which are very, very necessary to improve your Amharic. So this is it for today. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it. And also don't forget to subscribe, comment your if you have questions, and also please share this channel with a person who want to learn Amharic. እና አመሰግናለሁ። ስለዚህ ቻው፣ ነገ እንገናኝ።